What's up, guys? It's the Fixbroz. Behind the hammer is Tim. Behind me is the Civic, our first project car. So today we're going to be getting the Civic ready for sale. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is our first project car. It was crashed on the side and we fixed it. So here's the story of the Civic. We were looking for a project car, so we found this Honda Civic. It was flooded, 2013 Honda Civic, and we decided to bid on it. Once we bid on it, it went for way overpriced. So a couple blocks later, on that same auction, we saw this Civic and we quickly counted the prices and we started bidding. We won it and then we brought it to the shop. From that, the Civic project series began. After we brought it to the shop, we started working on it. In that shop, we did the body filler, the primer, the paint, everything. So definitely, if you guys are new, check it out on our channel. So after we did the paint job, the clear coat had lots of orange peel. So then we brought it home, we wet sanded and buffed it here. Then we did a full super detail on it, and here it is, finally done, ready for sale. This was our first project car, so obviously it did not turn out perfect, like the body filler. We didn't do a really good primer job, so there's obviously a lot that we'll learn from. Our dad, aka our teacher, is a professional at fixing cars. He's been working on cars for over 20 years, so he was the one who helped us out a lot with this project. And that starter story that we never talked about, we eventually ended up buying a new starter because once we fixed the starter, a couple months later, it just broke down again. So we just ended up buying a new starter. So always expect to spend an extra $200, $150 on your project car. So enough of that, let's go take a look at the imperfections in the car.
So here's some of the imperfections on the Civic, and you see this giant paint touch-up? This area we rubbed through the paint when we were removing the orange peel and exposed the metal, so we had to do a touch-up over here. And then right over here by the trunk, we also had to do a touch-up because we went through the paint. But that's not too bad for a first time. And then going inside, this doesn't look really good over here, and over here, we had to do another touch-up. So in total, we had 3 touch-ups on the Civic. So I don't know, do you guys count that as bad for a first time? Or that's okay? Comment down in the comment section below.
Okay guys, so now let's go take some pictures and post it up online.
We got the Civic listed on cargurus.com. The link will be in the description below if you guys want to buy it or check it out. So 2 scammers already texted us, which is a little bit annoying. One of them said that he's at work right now, and it was midnight when he texted us the message, so that's a little bit odd. He works at midnight. If you guys want to check it out, the link is in the description below.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next. Oh, wait. Actually, shout out Qpud, and we'll see you guys next time.